Mm. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Boy, you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these daddies rope. Before you drift in me deeper. Baby, now hold me close, close. Let's take this overboard now.
ngathi kusafuna ngosiwashisisa lesi.
So this for Mandini and just keep.
Everything like come up and spin.
Iyangcola.
Yeah, I was so my friend ngifuna isalt short.
Malini 10?
Yeah, 10.
Okay.
So ngifuna try the box.
Yeah, ngiyasibona bhuti. Vele that's why ngite la. Ngoba vele leti ihamba fast.
Yeah.
Litabo Shoprite yokuhlala. 45 plus 10 55. Yeah, yabo mina ngisasa fresh. Kakhulu ngenze silungisele. Phela ukuthi lokuyana ngiko lesifunako. Kumbe uyakwakho. Niyabona night long. So uthi sidubula kuze kuse. Uletha ngabo 12. Kuthi cricket ayadura uthi wena uyati. Thank you.
Joe, I only wake up a little bit early.
Oh, tengo listo.
I know. Mara ngifuna ukudla.
Ukufuna ku?
Ngiyaqala. Nimkhulula ngatamnyenala. Khulela kudla lokumnandi. Cornflakes la mnandi.
Bu.
Shut that in. Okay, but
Impahla yento soyile tiwo.
Ito.
Lento kubo leyana wethu.
Ish. Oh, the con.
Ungatilanda.
Okay, think back. Ngisadlala i-1. Ukhona.
Uthathe baslapha yakho usulele bathuni.
Mama.
Uthathe baslapha swethu bathuni.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit.
Hey friends, so this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing shoes from Mr. Price. Remember the wedges we unboxed like a while ago? Yeah. Skirt from my mom's wardrobe. Thrifted this almost 3 years ago, so I've had it for a while now. And then the top is thrifted Joburg CBD. Bag is from Fashini. I hope you like the fit. Hey friends, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the last vlog of 2023. I thought I was gonna do a silent vlog, but I wanna speak with you guys. Anyway, today we woke up, prepped for church. We went to church, came back, and we cleaned, and yeah, the mundane. So right now it's time to get it on, baby. It's time to close off the year, and I'm gonna close off the year with my boyfriend's family. Yeah, that's where I'm going right now. But I want to show you what I got at Lucky Wholesalers yesterday. I got some I think it's 100 long shoots. They're called 100 shooter. 100 shooters. 6 of these were like 75 rands. And I also got some color pop. I should have actually gotten 2 of these. These are snappers. So you throw it, you drop it, you throw it, you step on it, you snap it. It's one of those that when you throw it on the floor. I'm gonna show my kids now. And then there's also this white chrysanthemum mom. I think we're gonna actually do these now because the kids are gonna go to sleep. I'm not sure. And then this one is called the Gorilla Bomb. It was 25 rands. It's supposed to come out and look like a white chrysanthemum, which is that flower with white leaves. So yeah, today is a bit of a very, very nice day. The festive cheer is still in the air. I hope you guys had a fantastic year, okay? I don't know, hey, like, we'll sit down and close off 2023 properly, okay, in the next year, because I don't want to speak about the year while we still it. So we're gonna enjoy the year, and yeah, probably I'm gonna continue this vlog as a silent vlog. I'll probably come back here and close it off. I hope you're still enjoying your 2023. I hope you're still enjoying your 2023. Yeah, I'm gonna go show the kids how to do this shandies. So I spent a total of 115 for the Gorilla Bomb, the Color Pop, the Magical Shot. 100. See you guys at 12 p.m. hopefully. Yeah, I hope so. Not sure, but yeah, let's do that. Ciao. Gonna show you what the Color Pop looks like.
The color what?
It's called a pop. I don't know why I'm saying it's a Color Pop.
Ma?
Just open this thing up.
Okay.
And you snap it.
Tikati.
Boyan to come.
Okay. Sme far away.
No. You see?
When I see.
You pause it past me. Pause ale. Boyan masas. Yeah.
It's fun.
Baby, you must pause a pass.
Okay.
Pause a foot. There you go. You can
Listen.
me? Yeah.
Okay.
Pause.
Then share it, not mom.
Yes, that.
Okay, Mom. Okay.
Butenda la, yaphosa kuyenda la.
So this cheese I am. Can you do some more? Yay! Mama!
I know. Woo! Pop, pop, pop.
Uvila kale. Masa, yo.
Slide na le ingana ngi. Slide le ingana. Ngisho kona ngani usibanta bavusi. And then we're gonna leave these two for midnight, ne? Yes. Ah, last one. Amen. Ngende vlog. Ah, Daddy, ufuna. Asiyawa.
ufuna yini le?
Ufuna le kuphela.
Oh, okay, faka isalad ke.
Lelembe sidlu. It's a free.
Ube salad.
Siwane epeking ngapho.
Kwakhe bhuti.
Usho nje?
Mara udla yena wedwa. Akayifuni.
Uzofuna le phela.
Mina ngitsho ukuthi ufuna lokhu kuphela.
wena ukhuluma lokuhlukile ngene
Wena ubona ucede
ukuthi umjubela liphalishi yabo
ukuba uthi ntoni ufuna tayi. Hello. Malene light. Oh, that's pretty.